Neighboring trees and shrubs can quickly turn into pathways for insects and rodents into a new home, so assess adjacent vegetation pest risk before construction finishes. When planning new home construction, start by mapping all vegetation within at least 20 feet of the foundation and note species known to attract pests like carpenter ants, termites, rodents, and borers. Remove any dead or diseased trees early because they are the most attractive host for wood-feeding insects and will also shed limbs that create access points. Prune live limbs so the canopy never touches the roofline, and keep lower branches trimmed back from walls to reduce bridges for rodents and climbing insects. Install root barriers between large trees and the foundation to prevent root damage and to reduce moisture migration that invites subterranean pests. Maintain a clearance of at least 2 to 3 feet between mulch and siding, and keep mulch depth shallow to reduce humidity that favors termites and white grubs. Schedule regular visual inspections of trunks, bark, and foliage for signs such as small holes, sawdust like frass, galleries under bark, or dieback, and bring in a certified arborist for targeted treatments if signs appear. Homeowners commonly underappreciate how quickly pests exploit vegetation touching a structure, so do not let branches or vines make direct contact and clear any vegetation that creates a continuous route to walls. People often pile deep mulch or landscape fabric against siding, which creates a harbor for termites and rodents, so keep mulch shallow and back from vertical surfaces. Another frequent oversight is assuming all tree issues are cosmetic. So if you spot exit holes, sticky sap, or woodpecker activity, call an arborist to evaluate and treat before the infestation reaches your framing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors who work on tree removal, pruning, root barrier installation, and pest mitigation, and we also help contractors find new local projects. Our site includes a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and get practical peer advice about managing vegetation-related pest risks.